morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue chapter 5, the type of plants and animal. Dear student, in previous video I explained you about the animal with the backbone, and animal with the backbone are known as vertebrate, which are further classified into 5 smaller groups like fishes, reptile, amphibian, birds and mammals, which I explained you in the previous video. So today in this video I am going to explain you about the animal without backbone. So dear student, you should know that animal without backbone are known as invertebrates, and invertebrates are of the following types. So let us know about it. Animals without backbone is known as invertebrate. So dear student, animal without the backbone means these animals have no backbone, dear student. What do you mean by the backbone? Backbone can be known as vertebral column or spine. So those animals which have no backbone are known as invertebrate, dear student. Let us know about the type of the animals are included in this group. So first, these animals have jointed legs. Second, these animals have soft body. Soft body. Third, these animals have spiny bodies. Fourth, these animals have no legs. And fifth, these animals have hollow bodies. So dear students, these are the type of the animals which are included in group invertebrate or animal without backbone. So let us know one by one. So first, these animals have the jointed legs. Dear student, you should know that in invertebrate, the animals which are included in animals which have jointed legs are largest animal group in invertebrate. An example like spiders, insects, scorpions, etc. Dear student, these animals have the jointed legs, and jointed leg animals are the largest group in invertebrate, dear student. So the animal which have jointed legs, also it is known as arthropods, and arthropods are the largest group in invertebrate, dear student. Next is, this animal have a soft body, means body is soft, but some of the animals which are included and have the soft body also have outer skulls. For examples, snail, squid, octopus, etc. These animals have the soft body. Dear student, you should know the invertebrate animals which have soft body, example like snail, squid and octopus. Many more are there which have the soft body and included in invertebrate, dear student. Next is, animals have spiny body. Dear student, those invertebrate animals which have spiny body are also known as echinodermata. Echinodermata, and the examples are starfish, sea urchin and sea cucumber, etc. So dear student, those animals which have spiny body, example like starfish, sea urchin and sea cucumber, they have the spine over the body, and in pure biological language, these group animals are known as echinodermata, dear student, known as echinodermata. Next, these animals have no legs. Dear student, these invertebrate have no legs. For example, like earthworm, leech, etc. These animals have no legs, dear student. During the rainy season, you may have seen earthworm crawling on the earth. They used to move from one place to other by contraction and expansion. Dear student, you may have seen they contract and expand. So these earthworm, leech are also included in invertebrate category. Next, these animals have hollow body. Dear student, those animals which have hollow body, for example, like sponges, jellyfish, are included in the animal which have hollow body. So dear student, their body from internally it is empty, vacant, and externally lot of the pores, and through these pores only water along with the food enter in the body. So dear student, animal with a hollow body are included in the group invertebrate. So dear student, these type of the animals are included in invertebrate. So first, those which have the jointed legs known as arthropods, soft body, have the spiny body known as echinodermata, no legs, and hollow body animals are included in animals without backbone or known as invertebrate. So dear student, please you read the topic of the animals without backbone In book it is given in the page number 45. Please you learn the characteristic with examples. Thank you dear students.